Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss riverboat concept. Riverboat or river swimmer concept, aeroplane wind concept is same. So it is explained by using relative motion. Already we studied relative motion and rain man concept. Today we will discuss riverboat concept. Listen students, here what is the speed of the boat with respect to river? The speed of the boat or the velocity of the boat or swimmer with respect to river. Velocity of boat with respect to river, VBR bar is equal to VB bar minus VR bar. Relative velocity of boat with respect to river equal to VB bar minus VR bar. Then VB bar is equal to VBR bar plus of VR bar. So here this formula is most important for explanation of this one. VB bar. What is the meaning of VB bar? VB bar is the velocity of the boat with respect to ground. What is this? Velocity of the river with respect to ground. VB bar is the absolute velocity of boat. VR bar is the absolute velocity of river. VBR bar is the velocity of boat with respect to river. Here also same thing. VBR bar is equal to VB bar minus VR bar. Therefore, VB bar is equal to VBR bar plus VR bar. Sir, okay, what is the difference of these two cases? We will discuss these two cases. Here, first case, students, let us consider the width of the river is D. Velocity of river is VR. The river is flowing from left to right. This side. We want to cross the river. The swimmer want to cross river. Swimmer at point A, he want to cross river. At point B or point C, point D, whatever may be, he want to cross the river. So here, what is the time taken to cross the river? These two situations. What is the drift for these two situations? Drift means displacement of boat along the direction of river flow. River flow this side. What distance is displaced? Displacement of boat along the direction of river when it is reach another bank, one bank to another bank. So here further continuation, listen carefully. First we will discuss this one, after that second one. Students, here velocity of boat with respect to river is equal to VB bar minus VR bar. Clear? VB bar is equal to VBR bar plus VR bar. Okay? This is the velocity of boat with respect to ground. But what is the VR bar? VR bar is the velocity of river with respect to ground. Assume along the direction of river is x-axis, perpendicular to river is y-axis. This is y-axis. That's why VR bar equal to, its magnitude is VR, direction I cap, unit vector along x-axis. VBR bar, VBR bar. What is the direction of VBR bar? Direction this one. Its magnitude is VBR. VBR. VBR can be resolved perpendicular to the river and parallel to river. So this is VBR cos theta. Theta na? VBR cos theta. This side VBR sin theta. VBR sin theta. Students, VBR sin theta. That's why here this side VBR sin theta. Direction this side x-axis, negative x-axis, minus I cap, plus VBR cos theta. Direction y direction j cap. These two substitute here, we get, therefore VB bar is equal to this value VBR sin theta minus I cap plus VBR cos theta j cap plus VR bar I cap. Therefore VB bar is equal to VR minus, from these two, VBR sin theta into I cap plus VBR cos theta j cap. Here the velocity of the boat with respect to ground is two component. Horizontal component along the direction of the flow of river and perpendicular direction, perpendicular to river. So here horizontal, here this is the x component, y component. Y component is perpendicular to river flow. So here x component is along the direction of river flow. So that's why due to this speed, the boat crossed the river. Due to this speed, the boat moves along the direction of river. That's why here river boat concept is two-dimensional, 2D, two-dimensional motion. Boat is two-dimensional motion, it has two-dimensional motion. So listen students, here first thing is the time taken by the boat to cross the river. Time taken by the boat to cross the river. We know that the time taken is equal to distance by speed. Distance is d. Width of the river d. And the speed of the boat in perpendicular direction, perpendicular to flow of river. That's why y direction, this is the component, which is equal to d by VBR cos theta. This is the time taken by the boat to cross the river. Time taken by the boat to cross the river, this much. What is the displacement of the boat? Displacement of the boat here. What is the displacement of the boat here? This is the BC, displacement of the boat. Why displacement? Why displacement along the river direction? Because it having component in that direction. That's why here speed, distance equal to speed into time. Here B, drift or displacement along the direction of river. X is equal to, that is BC. BC, drift. BC is equal to, take X, which is equal to speed VR minus VBR sin theta. So speed into time. What is the time taken by the boat to cross the river? D. D by VBR cos theta. So here this is the shift VR minus VBR sin theta into D by VBR cos theta. VBR cos theta. This is the time taken by the boat to cross the river. This is the drift. Then what is the special case on this concept? These 2 points. Special cases. Okay. Yes, listen student. First case is for shortest time. For shortest time or condition for minimum possible time. Minimum possible time to cross the river. Shortest time. Minimum time. The condition for minimum possible time to cross the river. We know the time taken by the boat to cross the river is D by VBR cos theta. Here D is constant. Okay, sir. D is constant. VBR constant. Theta is depends on, here T depends on theta. Therefore here as cos theta maximum equal to 1. So here cos theta is maximum, T will be minimum. That means theta is equal to 0. Then T will be minimum. Therefore minimum time to cross the river is, that is D by VBR. For this case, shift or drift is equal to, drift value is X VR minus VBR sin 0 into D by VBR cos 0. What about this? 0. VR into D by VBR. Students, so here what is the diagram for this? Listen carefully. So this is the point A, this is the point B. Width of the river is D. Okay, right? So here theta equal to 0. Theta equal to 0 means the velocity of the boat with respect to river is this side. Velocity of boat with respect to river is this. And the river is flowing like VR bar. So here VB bar is equal to expression VBR bar plus of VR bar. The vector addition of VR bar, VBR bar and VR bar is the VB. That's why here this is the direction of boat with respect to ground. Actually the boat is moving this side in a water, in a river. But here actually the boat is moving with respect to ground is this side. That's why it having the drift. Drift is nothing but like this. This is. And second case for this one. Special case. Second one. Special case. For shortest path. What is the meaning? Shortest path means point A, point B, width D. Okay, sir. So here, this is the shortest point. The path is nothing but B and C coincide. B and C coincide means the boat reach another bank at B only, exactly opposite point. Exactly opposite means here x value 0. X is equal to VR minus VBR sin theta into d by VBR cos theta, which is equal to 0. Therefore, it not equal to 0. This is 0. Therefore, sir, VR minus VBR sin theta is equal to 0. VR is equal to VBR sin theta. Clear? Sin theta is equal to VR by VBR. Theta is equal to sin inverse of VR by VBR. Here in this case, theta is less than 90 degrees only. Theta less than 90 degrees. And when VR is less than VBR, VR is less than VBR. That means here the boat is roaring, this side rowing, VBR is making an angle theta. Theta equal to sin inverse of VR by VBR. That's why the boat reach point B exactly. So this is the, sir, if theta greater than 90, not possible. Theta equal to 90, what happens, sir? Suppose VR and VBR is same, what happens? VR and VBR is same means theta 90. Theta 90 means what? Theta 90 here, VBR, this is the perpendicular. So here theta 90 means VBR is this side. VBR this side. VBR this side, VR this side. So here, what is the perpendicular component? Perpendicular to river component is 0. Because here this is the perpendicular. Perpendicular, there is no speed of the boat perpendicular to river. That's why it never cross the river. When what condition? VR is equal to VBR and VR greater than VBR. The boat never cross the river. The boat never cross the river. Never cross the river. Okay. What is the time taken to cross the river? So this condition is okay. Up to this is the special case. If VR is equal to VBR, VR greater than VBR, it never cross the river. Up to this, what is the time taken to cross the river? If it is reach the point A to B, exactly reach point B in a shortest path, what is the time taken? Time taken is d by VBR cos theta. Theta value is sin inverse of VR by VBR. Substitute here, we get the time taken by the boat to cross the river. To cross the river. This is the only first case. Second case. Listen, students, is the most important. So, yes, point A, point B. Yes. Width of the river is D. Width of the river is D. Width of the river is D. Here VBR bar. This direction VR bar. River flowing like this. The boat is moving or boat is traveling in a river with respect to water is like this. It making an angle theta with flow of river direction. This is. Then in this we want time taken by the boat to cross the river. And second one is drift is equal to how much? Okay, students, here this is the VBR bar, no? Mod is VBR. VBR can be resolved this direction, two perpendicular components. Two perpendicular component, this is the VBR. This side is VBR cos theta. This side, what is this? VBR sin theta. Therefore, velocity of the boat with respect to ground equal to VBR bar plus VR bar. These students. So VBR bar, VBR x component, VBR cos theta. Direction I cap plus VBR sin theta direction j cap plus VR I cap. Therefore here VR plus VBR cos theta I cap plus VBR sin theta j cap. This is the VB bar. So this is the component of the component x component, y component. X component is nothing but speed of the boat along the river. This is perpendicular to the river. Time taken. Listen carefully. Time t is equal to distance, width of the river. By what is the speed perpendicular to river? Speed of the boat perpendicular to river. VBR sin theta. VBR sin theta. Okay. Then what is the drift? Drift is nothing but the speed of the boat along the river into time taken. Time taken is above 1 d by VBR sin theta. Sin theta. This is the drift. Suppose this is the angle here theta. Suppose here take angle theta. What is your answer? Tell me. So here point A is the point B. So the boat, speed of the boat, velocity of the boat with respect to river, and this is the theta. This direction is VR bar. What is the time taken? Time taken by the boat to cross the river. What is the shift or drift? What is the drift? Simple thing. Okay. Here it can be resolved. Here VBR. It can be resolved into two rectangular components. This side VBR cos theta. This side VBR sin theta. Okay. Then we get VB. VB here simple thing. Here this is the VB bar is equal to VBR bar plus VR bar. Tell me what is the VB bar? VB bar value. The third case. This is the third case. Suppose here VB bar is equal to what? X component VBR sin theta I cap and Y component VBR cos theta j cap. VR bar is equal to students VR I cap. The addition of these two. Therefore addition of these two I component, that is VR plus VBR sin theta I cap plus VBR cos theta j cap. Clear? So this is the x component, this is the y component. Time taken is enough. Time taken t is equal to d by y component perpendicular to river VBR cos theta. Right? And x is equal to this into time VR plus VBR sin theta into t is d by VBR cos theta. Right? Okay, thank you.